Good morning, children. Myself Ishuda Mali from Silver Bells, Mansarovar. So, today we are going to start the third unit, poem 3, The Quarrel. So, this poem is written by Elinor Fergian. So, this is a very short poem. So, in this poem, the poet Elinor Fergian shares an incident when a fight broke out between her brother and her. So they did not know why they were quarreling. So it will be a small fight, but soon it became strong. So they blamed and hated each other. So the poet says that she knew that her brother was at wrong. So throughout the day, they did not talk to each other, and it was a bad time for the poet. But at last, her brother came to her and told her that they cannot remain so. So he accepts his mistakes. So in this way, the poet forgives him and the fight is finally settled. So now, before reading the poem, it is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. So, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel, but how long do such quarrels last and how do they end? Let's read this poem and find out. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on along. We can't go all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So this is very beautiful poem. So in this poem, the poet says that she quarreled with her brother. She could not figure out how did it start. Something happened which led to other, and they started abusing each other. So it was a small fight initially, but soon it became strong. So her brother said that he was right and the poet was wrong. But according to the poet, she was right and her brother was wrong. So as we don't know the cause of the fight, so we can't figure out that who was wrong. So but the poet's brother asked for forgiveness because he cannot live in bad mood and separate from his sister. So he asked for the forgiveness and the poet forgives him and considers him wise. So when they fought, they started hating one another. So in this way, the afternoon turned black, means they fought for the whole day. So this poem is about the relationship between the siblings. So they fight with each other for petty things, but in difficult times they are inseparable. So the poet wrote about her unpleasant relationship with her brother in this poem. So I think that this poem is now clear to you. So now in working with the poem, so with your partner try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. So first one, and somehow we fell out. So here we have to write the meaning of fell out. So fell out means to drop down. Second one, the afternoon turned black. Turned black means something went bad and unpleasant. So now let's move to the second question. Read these lines from the poem. First one thing led to another. One thing led to another means a series of things were happening and one thing leading to another. Second one, the start of it was slight. The start of it was slight means beginning was with small, petty things, very ignorable things. The end of it was strong. The end of it was strong means finally it became a big issue. So next one, the afternoon turned black. So afternoon turned black means something went wrong and unpleasant in the afternoon. Fifth one, thumped me on the back. It means hit me heavily on the back. So describe, third question, describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother or sister or any friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? How did it end? So you have to do this question by yourself. So the main means the central idea of the poem The Quarrel is that quarrels are common between the siblings and they take place on daily basis, but wise is the one who seeks forgiveness and even after knowing that the other is wrong. So I think this poem is now clear to you. Have a nice day.